Hey, hi everybody. How y'all doing? Alright, so we are back. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the aioli. It's the Chipotle sauce, but it's called aioli. I don't know, for some reason I'm so bad at saying the name. But oh well, who cares? The point is, we're gonna be making it. And I'm gonna show you all my version of how I like to make it, and then tell me how you guys make yours. Maybe tell me in the comment section. And then let me know if you tried this recipe. But I thought this was an easy way to make it if you're one of those people that's into this sauce and you love to have this sauce on your taco, either with fries, anything. Well, I got something for you. Quick, simple, very delicious, and we're gonna get started. All right. So over here I have my mayonnaise. I have some minced garlic, fresh squeezed lemon juice. I have some chili pepper. And one more thing, I have my chili oil. I'm gonna add a little bit because again it's a spicy aioli sauce. So that's why I'm having the spicy pepper, spicy chili oil in there with the spicy chili pepper. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And I hope you guys are all doing good. So the first thing we're gonna add is your mayonnaise. I'm gonna put my mayonnaise in here. Okay, and I'm gonna put my minced garlic. And I got my squeeze lemon juice. Hey. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the chili pepper. So also, I'm gonna add some salt to this. A little bit of salt. Trust me, it comes out good. Okay. Then we're gonna add chili oil. Just a little bit. Just depending on how much spice you want it to be. I like it spicy, so that's why I'm adding all that. And now we're just gonna mix this very well together. I hope everybody's doing good. Thank you to all my subscribers, my future, present. Thank you for all your comments and your feedback. It's very appreciated. I thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm new to this, so thank you, thank you, thank you. It's very appreciated. Alright, so once you mix everything together, your sauce should be perfectly ready to go and light. So I don't know if you'll really be able to see it too clearly, but I'm gonna try to make it possible. Can you see it? I'm trying to let the camera kind of show you how that looks. Oh my goodness, that's exactly how you want it. Looks so good, so easy to make, guys. You can eat this with taco, whatever dipping thing you like to eat your food with. I don't know. dipping thing. But me, see, I usually would eat this with like French fries. That's the most thing I'll eat it with, French fries. Sometimes taco, but French fries every day. But yeah. So this is it right here. So easy. Very easy to make. And I just wanted to come on here really quick to kind of make this so I can show you how to make it. This is how I make this one instead of buying it from the store. Sometimes I will, but it's so easy to make. What would be the point of buying it? Like, yeah. So I just make my version and I eat it. So I hope you guys try this recipe and I hope you like it. And I look forward to reading your comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you would prefer to make this at home or you prefer to buy it from the store. But yeah, I just thought I'd come over here real quick and show you guys this so you can see how I make this spicy aioli sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming in. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody, be safe out there. God bless. Bye, y'all. So that's how the sauce is. This is how it should look. You got a perfect dipping sauce right there for you to be able to make and enjoy with your French fries. Everything. Just look at that. So good. Just perfect. Just like that, you guys. That's how you want it to look. Again, just like this. Just gorgeous. You see it clearly. Alright, there it is. Homemade aioli sauce.